This video I will explain how Google Pay detects fraud. What is fraud? Fraud means someone trying to cheat you and steal your money by pretending to be genuine person, shop or service. Examples of fraud are fake payment request, fake rewards or cashback messages, unknown UPI IDs asking for money, links that try to steal your bank details. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app. Using that, you can send and receive money, pay in shops, pay bills, recharge mobile phones. It works using UPI, which connects directly to your bank account. Because real money is involved, Google Pay uses strong fraud detection to protect you. What does fraud detection mean? Fraud detection means finding and stopping suspicious or dangerous transactions before your money is lost. Google Pay continuously monitors your payment habits, suspicious behavior, unknown senders, and fake apps and links. Now we will see step by step how Google Pay detects fraud. Step 1. Tracks your normal behavior. Google Pay learns your normal usage pattern, like how often you send money, who you usually send money to, typical payment amounts, time of the day you use the app. If suddenly something very different happens, Google Pay becomes alert. For example, if you usually send 500 rupees and suddenly request comes for 50,000 rupees, then it is marked as suspicious. Step 2 is check the receiver's history. Google Pay check whether the UPI ID is new or old, whether many people have reported that UPI ID, whether the account shows scam behavior. If many users have marked that UPI ID as dangerous, then Google Pay warns you. Step 3 is detects a fake payment request. Scammers often send refund request, price winning request, KYC update request. Google Pay looks for unusual words, repeated request, request from unknown users. If detected, it shows a fraud warning before you pay. Step 4 is monitors suspicious links and messages. If you click on unsafe link, receive a payment message from a fake source, then Google Pay tries to block the payment, show a security alert, and warn you not to proceed. Step 5 is users device security checks. Google Pay also checks if your phone is rooted or unsafe, if screen lock is enabled, if another app is secretly watching your screen. If your device is unsafe, payments may be blocked for your protection. Step 6 is users bank level verification. Even after Google Pay approves a payment, your bank also checks the transaction. Your UPI PIN is verified. Your account balance is verified. Only when both Google Pay and bank agree, the payment is completed. What happens when Google Pay suspects a fraud? If something looks dangerous, Google Pay may show a red warning message, ask you to double confirm, temporarily block the payment, ask you to contact your bank, allow you to report the user. This helps to stop money loss before it happens. Now we will see how you are also protected. Google Pay protects you using UPI PIN for every payment, biometric lock like fingerprint or face lock, encrypted data, which means your payment information is locked and hidden, real time monitoring, which means checking for fraud while the payment is happening. What Google Pay cannot fully prevent. Even with all the safety systems, if you share your UPI PIN, fraud can happen. If you trust fake callers, fraud can happen. If you approve unknown request, fraud can happen. So your awareness is also very important. The summary is Google Pay detects fraud by watching your normal behavior, checking suspicious UPI IDs, blocking fake requests, scanning unsafe links, and verifying every payment with your bank.